Hi guys, here is Young Lee. Today I'm going to make a video about nose. And I took this plaster nose to make this tutorial because this hard and soft material shows a lot of muscles and very small curve and small parts of the nose. And this material is used for art study. A lot of academic institutions use this kind of material to study the human anatomy. The structure of the nose. I already made one earlier, one reference, one tutorial about the nose. Here we have, so the structure of the nose. You can divide the nose in many small parts, and the first part, which comes from the forehead, there is a root, and this root is between eyebrow and the start of the nose in the face. And the middle part, which is a bridge, this is literally bridge between the root, which is the starting part, the beginning part, and the nose ring and the tip, where breathe in and breathe out. This is a very important function in our body. And here in the middle, which is long and straight, this is the bridge. And the lower part of the nose is a little bit wider than the root part usually. This is the highest part of the nose. And we have two nostrils, which we need to breathe. And here in the middle, between of these two nostrils, there is a septum, which is quite hard. So it's quite stable. So this was the structure of a nose. And now I have another perspective for the nose from side, but still we see part of the bridge and also even the root. And the middle of nose, we can make it like this, and we still see the bridge. It means we have like this structure, and there is the lower part of the nose. So this is the underneath of the nose, which you will have both the wings and the nostril. And septum. And we are drawing included the shadow. The nose tip is usually round, so even though it's not really round, it can be also quite pointed, but still there is another plane which can make the nose tip a bit round. It depends on the size. I mean, it can be short or maybe longer, depending on the person, but this is usually a part of the nose. So I think I'm going to make very simple division of the nose, so it's also clear to understand. Mostly you have kind of this septum, a rounded septum. Most of the bridge has a little bit form, like here the middle part of the nose is going in. And again, on the part of the bridge, again in. That's quite common. So I have illustrated the structure of the nose. Here, this model is made and cut here, this part which goes further for the eyebrow and eye. Here, this small darkness which indicate the depth between the nose bridge and the eye area shows that there will be the continuing part of the eye here. But at the moment it's cut, and we don't see much about the eye part. So I have divided the nose and around the nose. And for the next video, I'm going to draw the nose and the lip together, or the mouth together, because they are very strongly connected. And as even now you can see here, this line indicates that there is upper lip here. Still, I want to make looking good, so here the muscle direction is also quite obvious. So actually it's leaning on a wall. So the reason of the shadow form here. Underneath of the nose tip and the wing, about the shadow is darker than the nose underneath, because it gets light, it gets reflections light, which hit here. The light is hitting here and then go, hitting here and then go up, also hitting here and go up. The light is strong, and the surface is white, so it means the white surface usually reflect also very strong light. So that's why here is light. Here is lighter than here because this floor is not that white like here. But still the shadow is stronger. So again, we can also name it root. And this middle part is bridgy. This long part. And here, end of the nose, which is round and higher than the bridge. This is the nose tip. And here, both side is nose wing. And here, the hole for breathing is nostril. And here in the middle between both nostril, this is septum. And the bridge is not straight. I mean, it depends on people, of course, but like I made a quick drawing of Brad Pitt, and when we see his nose, his bridge is showing that it has inner structure. He has quite a prominent root, and this is very deep. And from this deeper part begins the bridge. Because very pronounced the eyebrow bones. So that's the reason the bridge is also deep, and he has also quite round nose tip and the wings. So this was another tutorial of the nose, and for the next video I'm going to draw the nose and the lip together, and I'm going to make a more realistic than this illustration. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day and bye.